Hey! This, my friends, is Carrols Club Burger. Let's talk. Bottom, pickles, onions, ketchup, burger cheese, bread, burger, lettuce, topped with a special royal sauce. Sometimes you'll find the ketchup, pickles, and onions on the top and the lettuce and special sauce on the bottom. Ketchup is often left out of this burger. I'm so excited! I'm so excited! Oh! Hey! The ketchup adds a whole different dimension. Carrols Club Burger. They stopped selling around 75, but I heard there was one store left in New York that sold them up until 81, and they also kept selling them in Finland and stuff like that. Here we go. Oh, I got a piece of cheese. Oh. Oh. I did 3.5 ounces of beef. I didn't want, like, really thin patties. We're taking another bite, man. Here we go. There's a pickle. Oh. I really like that. Ketchup is really important. Show the pictures. Let's take another bite. Let's do it. Oh, it's a little pink, too. I love pink. If we didn't have ketchup, it would really taste like a Big Mac. Ketchup changes everything. Hey. Thanks for joining me this
Tuesday.
You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.